Hello guys, this is Tech Master. So on this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how you can reset your computer. Resetting your computer means that you are going to lose all your documents and file that you have on your computer. File, apps, document, you are going to lose everything. The computer is going to come back to the default mode just like you bought the computer in new one. So let me show you. The first thing you have to do, click on the window icon here, this window icon. So once you click on it, it's going to open up here, and all you just need to focus on is this settings icon. Click on settings. So once you click on settings, it's going to open up this, and you are going to go to this section where it said update and security. Click on update and security. So once you click on update and security, it's going to bring you here, and all you just have to do is to click on the part where it said recovering. So once you click on recovering here, it's going to bring you to this section here. You can see what it's saying. Restart this PC. So that is the first session you will see, and the second session you will see advanced startup. So I will show you the difference between these two. So this one that said get started, you can let me just read out what it's saying here. You can see say if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal file or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So how does this work is that it's going to how this work is that you have an option of deleting some file, and you have an option of being able to like put the system in a recovery mode or a default mode, but you cannot delete all your file. It will remove all the hard files that is making your computer to slow down. So that is what it can do. So it's a two option. There's an option to delete everything, and there's an option to keep some files. So let me show you. The first thing you have to do here is to click on this part where it said get started. So once you click on get started, it's going to bring you to this window. You can see say keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. So if I click on this, it's going to take us to the next step where we are going to click on yes, and it's going to start rebooting our computer. It's going to make our computer to run fast a little bit, but it's not going to delete our files, applications, and documents. And the second one where it said remove everything. This one means that when you use this one, you are going to delete everything, files, apps that you have already installed on your computer. Let us say I click on remove. Look at what it's saying here. Before I even say I want to click on it, if I say I should choose this one, which is remove everything, it said remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, which means everything, documents, apps, files, all of them are going to be deleted, and your computer will look like a new one. So that is how the second option works. There's a first option to keep all your documents, and this second one is to delete everything. I'm not going to click any one of them, but if you are in my situation, maybe your computer is slowing, you can click on this first one. But if your computer is having like antivirus and all these other things, I recommend that you should delete everything and install all your files and apps back into your computer, or you can move them, all your files and apps, into a particular SD card, and then you can now you can restart the computer or laptop. So that is an option I'm like recommending for those of you who want to do this. So you can see that is very, very simple to do. The first one is that you are going to keep your file, which is this one. And the second one here, you are going to delete all your file. So you understand how it works. I'm going to click on cancel here because I don't want to restart anything. I'm just making this video to help those of you who is going through stress on how to reset their computer or delete everything on their computer or on their laptop. So that is the first step. So this second one, which said advanced startup, this part is going to help you to put your computer into a default mode. It's not going to delete any file, but it's going to make your computer or laptop to run faster. Let us say, for example, let me explain it in a bit. Let's say you click on restart now. It's going to reboot your computer into a standard mode. Let me say you are trying to browse, or you are doing all this sort of thing. Maybe your computer is hooked and it's not running faster, or there is a problem like this. That is when you can use this advanced startup, because it's going to help your computer to come back to the normal function if it's going through like all this kind of slowing and having all those bugging issue while you are trying to use it. So that is how it works. But I'm not going to click on it. Let us say I mistakenly click on it. It's going to like close this window and you are not going to see anything again. It's going to turn black and it's going to reboot the system, and that is what you will get once I click on where it said restart now. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video. And yeah, so that is how you can restart or reset your PC if you are having any problem. If you want to delete your files, documents, you can do that. If you don't want to delete them and keep them, you already know how you can do it on this video. So I will say thank you very much, guys, for watching this video to this age. And I will say, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. I will say thank you very much, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. And you can watch this video if you want to know how you can use or reset your GoPro Hero session. I will say thank you, guys. See you on the next one.